Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mission Math Minds. I'm Sushma. Today we are going to learn about AAA similarity criteria. That means area similarity criteria theorem. So statement we have, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio are proportional. Hence prove that the two triangles are similar. For this one, first we need to draw two triangles. One is a small one, another one is big one. And mark A, B, C, another one is D, E, F. So here we will write given. They said we have two triangles. So that is in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. They said angles are equal. That means A angle is equal for D angle and B angle is equal for E angle. C is equal for F angle. So A is equal for D, B angle is equal for E and C angle is equal for F. Next we need to write what we need to prove. So here they said we need to prove the proportional of, otherwise the ratios of the sides are equal. That means AB divided by DE, that is equal for BC divided by EF, that is equal for AC by DF. They gave our angles, we need to prove sides ratios are equal. So AB by DE, that is equal for BC by EF, that is equal for AC by DF. So construction. So here construction, I'll mark any one point and I'll mark this as a P, and I'll mark in the line of DF one point that I'll mention as a Q, and I'll join that both. So this triangle is equal for this triangle. Triangle ABC is equal for triangle DPQ. So we will write that here. Mark points P and Q on DE and DF, so such that we said these sides are proportional or equal. So therefore AB is equal for DP and AC is equal for DQ. But we can't equate BC is equal for PQ because still we not proved bases equal or not. Only the two sides are equal. So that's we can say. So and after that we will say join PQ. So now we will move on to proof. In the proof we will take two triangles. One is a ABC, another one is DPQ. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, we know angles are equal. Here they given. So therefore A angle is equal for D angle. So we'll write it's a given. And in a construction also we proved AB is equal for DP and AC is equal for DQ. So I'll write that one. AB is equal for DP because construction, and AC is equal for DQ because of construction. So here you can see that we have a two sides equal, one angle is equal. So here now we can use SAS postulate. Based on that we can tell that the two triangles are congruent because two sides are equal. S one side, angle side. So totally 3 also equal. So therefore we will say triangle ABC is congruent for triangle DPQ. So if it's congruent we can say the other sides are equal also. So then BC is equal for PQ also we can write. So BC is equal for PQ. So based on CPCT, congruent parts of corresponding triangles. Based on that, that means if two triangles are congruent means we can say other sides everything is equal and angles are equal. So based on this, now we can say BC is equal for PQ, means B angle will be equal for P angle. So therefore I'll write B angle is equal for P. So based on CPCT, and we know that B angle is equal for E angle. So therefore B angle is equal for E angle, because why? It's a given. That means B is equal for P and E. That means P also equal for E. So we will write P is equal for E. So because they both are equal for B angle, B is equal for they both. So based on this, we can say P is equal for E means Q also equal for F. So they both are parallel if the angles are equal, means so PQ is parallel for EF. If it's parallel, the ratio will be equal. So we can say DP divided by DE is equal for DQ divided by EF. Sorry, PQ divided by EF and DQ divided by DF. So corollary of BPT theorem. Because in a normal theorem we will take dP divided by P, but in a corollary we will take dP divided by dE. So based on that here we taken. So and we know that dP is equal for AB, because in a construction we proved, and PQ is equal for BC and DQ is equal for AC. So now we will substitute that everything. So AB by DE, that is equal for PQ is equal for BC. So EF, that is equal for DQ is equal for AC. Sorry. So divided by D. So hence proved. And we got this values from equation 1 and from construction. So this is the theorem. I hope you people understood. Subscribe, like it and share it. Thank you so much.